Let's talk about three concepts that are central to conservative thought: moral values, social order, and the role of religion. These ideas are foundational to how conservatives view society and the principles they believe should guide it. Moral values. First up, moral values. For conservatives, having a strong moral foundation is key to a healthy society. These values like honesty, integrity, responsibility, and respect are seen as essential for guiding how people behave and make decisions. Think about the lessons we learn from our families, schools, and communities. Things like telling the truth, keeping promises, and being kind to others. Conservatives believe these values help people live good lives and contribute positively to society. When everyone shares a common set of moral values, it creates trust and cooperation, which makes everything run smoothly. Some people think conservative moral values can be a bit too strict or old-fashioned, but conservatives argue that these values have been around for a long time because they work. They provide a stable framework for behavior that helps keep society cohesive and functioning well. Social order. Next, let's talk about social order. Conservatives believe that a well-ordered society is crucial for allowing people to live safely and pursue their goals. Social order means having clear rules and norms that everyone follows, ensuring people can coexist peacefully. For example, respecting authority and following laws are important aspects of maintaining social order. Whether it's listening to parents, teachers, or the police, conservatives think that respecting these structures help keep society stable and prevents chaos. Social order also involves recognizing the importance of hierarchy and tradition. Conservatives argue that these elements provide stability and continuity, helping society manage change without losing its core values. Hierarchies, like those in the workplace or community, are seen as natural and beneficial, reflecting different roles and responsibilities that contribute to the overall good. Some folks worry that focusing too much on social order can stifle creativity and individuality, but conservatives believe that without stable social framework, people would struggle to achieve their potential. They see social order as creating the necessary conditions for freedom and personal growth. The role of religion. Now let's talk about the role of religion. Many conservatives believe that religion is essential for instilling moral values and maintaining social order. Religion provides wisdom and guidance that helps people navigate life's challenges. For conservatives, religion offers a moral compass, teaching principles that shape behavior and attitudes. Religious traditions often emphasize family, community, and service to others, which align closely with conservative values. Religion also helps create a sense of community and belonging. It brings people together, offering networks of support and mutual aid. By participating in religious practices, individuals find meaning and purpose, which conservatives believe is vital for personal and social well-being. Some critics argue that religion can be exclusionary or that it shouldn't influence politics. However, conservatives see religion, when practiced with tolerance and respect, as a positive force in society. They believe it helps uphold moral values and social order.